Alright, so I think I am going to line my brows first, just because they are, you can see like they are uneven, because I was a little child and I didn't want to listen to my mom when she told me I didn't need to touch my eyebrows, and I did it anyway, and I ended up cutting this one completely off. So let me say sorry to my mom. I should listen to you. Yeah. Or I thought that I would do this video. Simply one, because I get a lot of questions on how I do my brows, which this here, like I said, is just one that I do when I don't wear makeup, which is going to be this week. Oh, nosy neighbor, hi. Which is going to be this week, because I am going to I am going to like a celebration, a church celebration. It is the centennial for the Cool JC organization. It's their 100th year, so I will be going to that with my husband. And during that time, we like have like things going on during the day, and then we have let me just fix this. Okay, we have like services, and like I won't say sometimes services, and then seminars going through the day, and then we have like the main church event, I guess you would want to call it, at night. So I don't really like to wear a whole lot of makeup all day, because it's really not good for your face. And excuse like all my hormonal breakout is like really bad, but yeah, so I'm just like, let me just do my brows so I can look put together, and then at night I catch them with the sled with the makeup. I purchased a new product, which is called the Maybelline New York Tattoo Studio Brow Tint Pencil, and this is what it looks like. Can you see it? Here we go. So I seen this. Where did I see this? I can't remember, but it was some social media like platform, and I seen it and I was like, oh, I thought I would give it a try. Now I did try this on Sunday, just so that I could see it if I liked it or not, because I'm not gonna just bring anything to my channel just because. So I was like, well, let me give it a try first before I sit here and make a whole video about it. So yeah, so that is that. Did I like this on Sunday? I will say I felt like maybe I should have got a darker color, because the color was like kind of blending in with my skin. I feel like, as you can see, like it's supposed to give like hair-like strokes. Like I'll put it on the back of my hand. So like this is what these strokes, is not really coming out good, but that's what the color is. And as you can see on it, it has like these like divots in there to give you the hair like strokes. And I did see on Sunday that when I go in this direction, it works better, but then when I go in a sweeping upward motion, it doesn't work so well. So I said, well, maybe, you know, it was because I had put on my moisturizer around my eyebrows, or, you know, I was just trying to see, like, do process of elimination and see what exactly was happening. But I made sure this morning that I did not put any moisturizer around my eyebrows. I left it dry just in case if that was the problem. And from what I am seeing, that was not the problem. I still don't really feel like is showing up. It's a little awkward to hold this. Let's see, when I hold it that way, now it wants to show up. I think it'll work. And let me tell you something, your girl is so unprepared. Like, today is Thursday. We leave Sunday morning. Ask me if I packed. If I packed, you packed. Your girl did not pack one thing. One single thing. I ordered my clothes. I got everything here on the floor. In my little glam room here, I got everything on the floor, but your girl is not packed. And not only do I have to pack for myself, but I pack for my husband as well. So she is not prepared at all. I'm gonna take this elf stick and just try. Oops. Take this elf stick and just try and make it a little bit darker so that it can go with the other side. Excuse me. So yeah, so I need to pack, and please excuse my voice. Like, I don't know what is going on with this weather here, but it got your girl's voice tripping. Like, it's going in and out, in and out, in and out. Another nosy neighbor. Yeah, I ain't never seen a girl do her makeup in front of the camera before. Oh god. Alright. So I'm literally now just trying to get it to the same darkness as this brow. You can see this brow is a little bit darker than this one. So I'm just literally trying to take it and get it to be as dark as the other one. If I can't get it with this, then it's cool, because then I'll just take take the e.l.f. one and just take my brush and try and do little strokes. Now this is what I used to do when excuse me. Now this is what I used to do when I would go to the Congress. I would use my e.l.f. cream stuff, and then I would use the pencil just to like darken it up a little bit. But I don't really see a need to do that with the pencil, so, or with the Tattoo Studio pen. So I don't know. Hopefully this will be good. There. Ooh. Which girl be great? Just won't let it. So I'm going to take the concealer part again and just clean it up. And the best part to like making it look natural is like, you don't want it to be super clean, you know, underneath. You can have a little, for me anyway, I will have just a little bit of like, you know, what is the word I'm looking for? It won't be as super clean and neat as it typically would when I have a full face, is what I'm saying. So, because you still want to give off that natural look. Can't believe like these months are flying by. Like they are going just too quick. Like it is literally gonna be 2020 soon. Like let's just think about that and let that sink in here for a second. It is literally gonna be 2020 soon. Like where is time going? You going, baby? Giving. When I do my paperwork at work, I still sometimes put 2018. I know that's sad, but I really do. Sometimes I'm like, oh shoot, I just put 2018. Girl, you all the way into 2019. Where are you putting 2018 at? Like, yeah, 2019. Where are you putting 2018 at, darling? Get with the times. Take this part in. Because I still want them to be a little matchy-matchy. But, there you have it. So, I think it looks pretty good. It looked, to me, like a nice little natural brow. Like, of course, I feel like they look fake because I don't have full brows, but it looked like a nice full brow for me. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel and share these videos. And yeah, so thanks for watching, and I'll see you